Lithium is a chemical element from the group 1A in the periodic table, also known as the alkali metal group. It is represented by symbol Li, has an atomic number of 3 and an atomic weight of 6.94. It is a soft, silvery white alkali metal. Under standard conditions, it is the least dense metal and the least dense solid. Like all alkali metals, lithium is highly reactive and flammable, and must be stored in vacuum, inert atmosphere, or inert liquid such as mineral oil like in my case. It exhibits a metallic luster and corrodes quickly in air to a dull silvery gray, then to a black tarnish. Lithium and its compounds impart the crimson color to a flame, which is the basis of a test for its presence. For this video, I essentially just used some Energizer Ultimate lithium batteries as a source of lithium metal, and some needle nose pliers to take it out. I want to clarify, this video is not meant to be a tutorial, but more like a blog of mine trying to accomplish a project. However, feel free to replicate it if you want to. I started by using a box cutter to cut a small line in the exterior plastic wrap to make it easier to peel it off with the pliers. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Bruh. So I started by pulling it off with my hands and then with pliers too. When I finally accomplished it, I tried to remove the inner cap of the battery with the pliers, and this is where the nightmare began. For the next few days, I tried by all means to take it out with the needle nose pliers, with some mechanical pliers, with a small screwdriver, but it didn't matter how much I tried, I always failed. Until I came up with the idea to use the same small screwdriver as before, but this time to help me pull the outside cap up, thus making it easier to take the inner cap out. For this, I started by removing some kind of glue between the joints of the two and then pulling the outside cap up to take the inner cap out with some needle nose pliers. It took me a while, but I eventually ended up making it. From now on, the use of gloves is mandatory to avoid the touch of the skin directly to the chemicals present in the battery. The next step in the process is to take out the plastic bag inside the battery that contains the lithium metal. For this, I continued by using the needle nose pliers and basically just pulled the metal case off until the bag became easy to take out with my hands. It took a while, but I eventually ended up having this white plastic bag that contains the little metal I am searching for. I later on continued by taking the plastic core off with my hands by just unrolling it and got these foils. The one in black is iron disulfide, which is the cathode of the battery. I have to say I made a pretty dumb mistake here because I thought for a moment the metal-like foil was the lithium metal foil and that the black foil got impregnated to it, so I started removing it with my hands. This, of course, was pretty moronic of mine because in case of happening, things would start to just heat up. When I eventually realized it wasn't the lithium metal foil, I realized it already started to heat up, so I hurried took the wrong foil out of the pack and stored in there the correct one. I then took all the junk I got left and stored everything inside an empty coffee container. After 3 days of hard and overwhelming work, I finally managed to extract the lithium metal from an Energizer Ultimate lithium battery. I then proceeded to do the same whole process again to have a bit more metal. I stored a little in vegetable oil like I showed in the intro of this video and then made some tests to it. I started by throwing it to a casserole full of water. What's happening here is that lithium and water react releasing a lot of heat, also known as an exothermic reaction. As a byproduct, hydrogen gas is formed, which is a flammable gas, so it starts to flame. The other test I did was burning it with a blowtorch. At first, a carbon red appeared as said in the intro of this video, but then it continued to burn, making a pretty bright light that could be compared to the one made by magnesium metal. And there you go. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.